Hi there, this is Travelling Ted here on Wednesday the 22nd of April. Okay, now I'm doing a bit of gardening and digging up some stuff and everything, and I noticed this yesterday. I have a little friend to help me, okay, because if you look very carefully, you will see Mr. Robin, and he was here yesterday, and I noticed him. As I'm digging up, I'm obviously disturbing all the worms and insects and everything like that. And he was here yesterday, so it's like a win-win situation for him. I'm providing him with free food, and he's just lapping it up. You have a great time there, filling yourself. Alright? Travelling Ted, doing a bit of nature stuff here instead of travelling, eating, complaining. What a beautiful bird. And he was here yesterday, and there he goes. Up there to survey everything. Alright guys, bye.